Corruption refers to a form of crime or dishonesty. Corruption involves mainly actions such as bribes or maltreatment. Since time immemorial, in one form or another, corruption in India has prevailed. The link between bureaucrats, politicians, and criminals is responsible for corruption in India. Bribes were given in the previous days because things were wrong. But bribes are compensated now even for the right things in the society. Social corruption like mixed-weighing of goods, adulteration of foodstuffs, and different kinds of bribery have predominated in society continuously. A recent survey by the Transparency International states that India is the most corrupt country in Asia. How can we tackle corruption? Sensitizing and educating the citizens, especially the young minds, should hold top priority in tackling corruption. Transparency in governance is yet another factor that plays a vital role in curbing corruption. As a responsible citizen, we should always say no to bribery. While the path to India free from corruption is difficult, it's not impossible. The government has already taken measures such as demonetization to reduce corruption. However, a lot more needs to be done to resolve this issue further. Reduce corruption are making all the official transactions transparent. Structured anti-corruption laws need to be put in place. An online portal should be set up which shows how each and every rupee collected as tax from the taxpayers is spent. The accommodation of complaints against corrupt officials should be confidential and convenient. Apart from the above steps taken by the government, we as an individual has to change our mindset. The youth should have a responsibility to refuse to accept or pay a bribe.